In this short video, we'll show the power of the Opus digital adoption platform supporting Oracle Fusion ERP, the HCM module, specifically creating an expense report. So here I am in Oracle and I need to create an expense report. I don't travel very often, so I want to make sure I get this correct so I can get reimbursed quickly. So here I am in the system, and at this point, I'm kind of stuck. Now, I was told there is this thing called the Opus Advisor, the light bulb up here. Let's click it and see what it offers me. So if I click the advisor, it actually shows me all the documents relevant to this specific screen and this specific module. I don't have to search unless I want to for other ones, but I see the documents are ranked in order here, much like Google would do. And there's different output modes depending on how I want to consume the content. So if I see the Create an Expense Report in Oracle Cloud right here, I have all these different output modes, e-assistant. I have different types of standard, generic, and end user documentation. I also have simulation modes in different ways. And finally, I have Follow Me, which is an in-application walkthrough that is like a pane of glass on top of the application. The Follow Me actually shows me step-by-step, field by field, what I need to do inside the live system. So I'm learning in the flow of work and getting the job done at the same time. So let me follow along, and it will then take me to the next screen. Great. Click in the purpose field. What do I need to do here? And then the next step is to type my cloud world. Let me do that. And then the next step is to create an item. Great. It's literally just leading me step by step, field by field through whatever I need to do to complete the process in the system itself. Great. That is one mode that's available. So let me take a look at the other modes that are available also. As I mentioned, I have different documentation modes and simulation modes. So let's take a look at the demonstration simulation. This is like watching a movie. So it's a safe simulated environment. I've included some conceptual content, a YouTube video here, and then we actually get to the simulation itself. This is like watching a movie, and the computer is moving the mouse and doing all the steps in the simulation. There's also an interactive simulation mode similar to this, except now I actually have to move the mouse and do things. There's also a test assessment mode, so I can measure proficiency automatically within the application. Then we move to the documentation categories. This is what we call the end user documentation. So this shows the screenshots and the messages that the users need to read and then complete. This can be downloaded. It can be shared as a link with a colleague. And then finally, we have our book output mode, which is a really nice reference. You can include a list of all the different content a specific job role should go through. They can search for content inside it, and then the actual content in the book is updated automatically through Opus. So this was a very quick overview showing how Opus can support your enterprise project. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.